Hello student, how are you? Dear student, in last video we start chapter 5th, periodic classification and their elements. And this chapter we study part wise, block wise, group wise, period wise, representative group, transitional, inner transitional, everything in a step wise. And also in previous video we discuss why we classify the elements because we know that better information for every elements related to atomic number, electronic configuration, oxidation number, physical state, some chemical properties, all chemical properties also. So everything we know that uh, better information for every elements. And this chapter, many more scientists can classify the elements. So the first scientist, Dovenier, he represent a traits. So according to these traits, Dovenier classify elements in their increasing order of their atomic masses into group of three elements called traits, and each traits the atomic mass of the middle number of elements were approximately equal to the average atomic mass of the other two elements. That means, suppose he arrange a set and every set presents three elements. So the first, second, third means ABC. So the masses value are sum to first and second and divided by 2, just like we find the average number of any elements or average value of anything. So suppose ABC in each set, and this set elements number A mass value added to elements C mass value and divided by 2. So suppose the first set lithium, sodium and potassium. So this first set three elements. So the first elements lithium, the mass value of lithium and potassium are sum and divided by 2. So the lithium mass value is 6.9, just see here, and potassium the mass value is 39. So adding to both types of value, the value are 45.9 and divided by 2, so the value are 22.95. So approximately the value are 23. So this is the mass value of sodium because the sodium is a second element to first set. And second set calcium, strontium and barium. So calcium the mass value is 40.1 and barium the mass value is 137.3. So A is a calcium and C is a barium, or 1 is a calcium and 3 is a barium. So added to both types of value, so the total value is 177.4 and divided by 2. So the value are 88.7. So strontium divided when added to both types of value and divided by 2, the value are 88.7. So this is the mass value of strontium. So approximately the value are 87.6. Number 3 set, suppose A are 1 chlorine, B are 2 elements number bromine, and 3 or C elements is iodine. So chlorine the mass value is 35.5 and iodine means C number is 126.9. So added to both types of value, so the value are 162.4 means 0.5 and 0.9 when added to 4, 1 is carry 5, 6, 11, 1, 12, again 1 carry, 3 to 5 and 1 6, so 162.4 and divided by 2, so the value are 81.2 approximately. And bromine, the approximately atomic mass value is 79.9. So this is the some examples of these traits. But in these traits, the defect in their classification was that all them known elements could not be correctly arranged into traits. Means in these times, how many numbers of elements are invented or identified? All types of elements are not arranged to these types of traits. So this is the defects of this Daubenier traits. So Daubenier is the first person who represent the or who classify the elements according to their these types of trait or these types of properties or principle. So mainly principle, the atomic elements can arrange to according their atomic masses. And next video we discuss next rules, Newland octavets rules. Okay, thank you.